Good evening all, MacBlogs here, aka Ian. Yes, another hotel back in Glasgow. This time again, another one different. I'm trying to tick off all the different hotels as much as I can in Glasgow, like I have been doing over the 2 years or so on this channel. Tonight is a weekday. I am staying at the Courtyard Hotel, which is a Marriott hotel, so Courtyard by Marriott at the SEC in Glasgow. I'll put all the information as always down below in the description box. But yeah, join me in this video for a room tour of this room. I'll cover more details as we go. Let's first of all start outside. It is pretty dark outside, so I'll show what I can outside and then do a kind of short, fast walk through to the room, and then we'll get stuck in to this room that you can see just behind me. So let's go. So, as always, starting at the door of the room, all your generic information regarding fire escape plan. There is a peephole, no card slot to put your power on. You just walk in and put the lights on. What I'll do is I'll give you a general overview of the room first before showing you more of the bathroom. So coming in straight away, it's clean, it's modern, it's really nice. There's a lot of nice features. I like the decor. So as you come in, little hooks, thermostat, mirror, TV, little shelf, of course the bed, which is a decent size to be honest. We'll cover some of the sockets. We've got like USB points, and is that a European socket there as well. We've got the Bible there. It's very spacious. I like that you have the disconnect over here, so you can rest, sleep, you can rest over there, or you can work over there as well, so it's separate. A lot of space. Got the phone here, an alarm with USB points in the alarm. Even got USB points here, a plug-in socket, lights, pen, paper. You can store some things down there. Got this light here. This light is actually on, believe it or not. You can just see it there. And it's switched on down there on the cord. You've got the bin there, chair, little table. I've got my bags over here. This is just like a feature, I believe. I don't think you can hang anything on them. I don't think. I got this padded feature as well on the wall. TV's a really good size, big TV. Here, of course, is the wardrobe and storage area. Lots of hangers, storage space up there, iron, an ironing board. They do have a laundry service, so let's have a look at this. Again, as I usually do, you can pause the video for the prices if you wish. Let's close that back over for now. Up here you have, I'm gonna guess it's the hairdryer. Yep, hairdryer, wine, well, wine cooler, ice for wine. And here you have me in a mirror. Also you have the kettle. This is just not reusable cups. Teas, coffees, Twinings, decaf, original. You got some milks, glasses, and a bonus for this room, in my opinion, for the price. Now I'll let you know the price shortly. A bonus is you've got the safe, of course, there, but they've got a fridge as well. It's always a bonus to have a fridge in a hotel room, and that's what I have found when doing these videos over the years. Not a lot of hotels have fridges. The view, not much of a view because you see me and the camera just now, but what I'll do is I'll put the camera against the screen. You see the Radisson Red over there. I have done a video on the Radisson Red before. So I'll try and put a clip. Now it is this time of year in Scotland, it's dark in the morning and dark at night, so in the morning it will be dark, but I will try and put in a better clip if I can. But you can see the majority of the view that I've got just now, really. You've got the SEC is just round here, so just a walk across this road here. So yep, that's really it for the main room area. The Canine Brew is mine, by the way. Doesn't come with the room. You do have bedside lighting. I like these lights here. They're built in to the headboard. You've got your bedside kind of reading lights there as well. And what I found was they're using light from the bathroom, the shower room, here with this corner detail with the frosted glass, to bring in some more light here. Of course you'll have light coming in from the outside because there's no main light in this room apart from the lighting at the headboard. So there's no other lights or lighting over in there, that area there, apart from the one we've seen over there, the kind of lamp on the table, which doesn't really give much lighting. So let's go and have a look at the wet room, the shower room. There's no bath in this room. Look at this cool sliding door. Ooh, soft closing sliding door. So again, first impression, it's clean, it's tidy, it's modern. It's nice, I like it. It's like the feel of it. So if you need your towels, sink, all you do get is some soap. So a bar of soap there. And in the shower, I'll show you in a moment what you get there, but nice big shower, really big shower. Nice mirror there as well, with a light on it. Shaver, socket, shaver points. More towels. And then the shower as well. So the shower is like a generic wall mounted shower with the removable head. And then you can see me leaning against the wall, giving away my secrets behind the camera. Conditioner, so you've got this Nervais Botanicals. You got the conditioner, shampoo and shower gel. A grab rail there as well. Yeah, that's the room. And just before I close the video out, I have forgotten to show you the information that was handed to me. So this was handed to me at check-in. So some hotel information that gives you Wi-Fi instructions, and you got the fitness suite, 24-hour access using your room key, housekeeping service, towels. There's no room service, but there is a restaurant. Parking, so if you've parked next door to the SEC multi-storey, which I have, make sure you give us your parking ticket so we can validate it for you. This will drop the price to £8 per 24 hours every time, or every time you leave. That's really good, it's a good price. I think it's £22 for 24 hours in that car park, so make sure you validate that, which I'll be doing. The restaurant, now I'm tempted to go and have a look at the restaurant, even have some food, so if I do go to the restaurant, I will put some clips in just now of food that I might have or may not have, but it's showing that breakfast, which I haven't paid for but you can add if you wish, breakfast times are 6:30 in the morning to 10 AM Monday to Friday, and the weekends 7 to 11. There's lunch there as well, and dinner, which I might try tonight. So I might have put clips in there of food that I have tried later on tonight, so I might go and give that a go. But yeah, that's really all I can show you in this room, and that's it. So not a lot to show, but you do get a lot for your money, in my opinion. But I would note, which I'm just about to say, the price wise, it does vary because of the location. It is right next to the SEC, depending if there's an event on, if you're coming here for an event. It's just a supply and demand type of hotel, really. So tonight, it's, yeah, take it with a pinch of salt, but sometimes you can get a good deal. Tonight was £99 for myself for one night, and yeah, it's a great deal in my opinion, because looking at the other prices, and when there's events on, it does get pretty pricey. So, but I've always wanted to come and stay and check out this hotel, and I seen it at this price, and I had to kind of go for it, stay here for myself, and to bring the information to yourself and have a look around, and hopefully you have enjoyed the video. So that's it for myself from here. Hopefully you've enjoyed it, like I say. Hopefully, what is that? Is that a ghost? Did you hear that? Anyway, hopefully you've hit like, because it helps the video get out there, and for the information if people are looking for planning their trip to here. And I don't just do hotel room tours or reviews, not really reviews to be fair, more kind of informational and letting you see what the room's like before you plan and book. yeah, you'll see my channel. Mainly my love is Orlando, Disney, Walt Disney World, Disneyland Paris, Disney Cruises, Universal Studios, all those things. A lot more plans coming next year, so if you like that kind of stuff, stick around, hit subscribe. If you like hotels, I'm sure I'll be doing that as well in the future. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hit subscribe, don't forget to support the channel, follow me on social media, all that stuff is down below in the description box. Thank you for watching, hope you're all well, and till the next video, I'll see you then, bye bye.